What if I told you that some of the most powerful motivational videos on YouTube are now being created almost completely with AI? Just look at channels like this. You've probably seen these cinematic motivational videos before. The visuals look incredible, the storytelling feels emotional, and the editing looks like something made by a full production team. So naturally, most beginners think, there's no way I can create something like this. Maybe you think you need expensive software, professional animation skills, or years of editing experience just to make videos like these. But honestly, that's not true anymore. Because today, I'm going to show you how people are creating motivational videos like this using AI tools only. And the crazy part is, most of these videos can now be created completely free. You don't need advanced editing skills, you don't need expensive equipment, and you don't even need to be a professional creator. Look at this channel. It has already gained more than 400,000 subscribers. And if we analyze it closely, we can see that the channel started only about a year ago. In less than 1 year, it has already pulled millions of views. According to Social Blade, this type of channel can generate hundreds of dollars every single month. And some videos on channels like this go extremely viral. That's the power of the motivational niche on YouTube. And right now, this niche is growing faster than most people realize. So in this mini course, I'm going to show you a complete AI workflow you can follow to create videos like this step by step, using 5 simple steps. So let's get started.
To start a YouTube channel like this, the first thing you need is a video idea. So for video ideas, come to Google and search for GenSpark AI. This is a hidden AI tool that most professional YouTube creators are using to automate their channels. I use it in one of my channels, and this is the result I get. The channel is not just getting consistent views, but also got monetized in 1 month. Just click on the first result that says GenSpark and create a new account if you are new to it. Now you will see below it says GenSpark AI Chat Unlimited. So make sure to click on the AI chat. Then the next thing you have to do is give direction to this GenSpark AI to help you build a motivational YouTube channel like that. Just simply describe your channel idea to it and also add some references. I know some of you don't know how to do that, so this is how you design your prompt for video ideas. Professional creators call this step keyword research. This is a very important step that most people skip, and then their videos never get views, despite being high in quality. Remember, creators can boost their visibility, search rankings, and viewers by simply targeting high-potential topics, and keyword research is the part that handles it all. Before AI, we had to do it manually. But now, with GenSpark AI agents, it's just a matter of one simple prompt to use. And this is the prompt I'm using right now for this tutorial. Just simply add this prompt to the GenSpark AI agent, and then click on Generate. And as you can see, GenSpark AI will think deeply and give you the best keyword title ideas for your channel. And these ideas are completely unique and original. Now, as you can see, GenSpark AI gives us almost 20 video ideas ready for our channel. So just save them somewhere safe so that you can create almost 20 videos with it. You can either save it in Google Docs or Google Sheets, or you can simply write them in your notebook. Just save them somewhere safe. Moving on to the second step. This is what we call scripting. Since the video keywords are ready, what we need now is a script for one of the video ideas we already have. So to create a script, simply come back to GenSpark AI and ask it to generate a script for the video idea you picked. But wait, don't just write it like that and click on Generate. We want our script to sound human. It should be emotional and heart-touching. So I wrote a prompt giving it a detailed guide on the type of structure that GenSpark AI must follow to write our script for the video. Here are 5 things you must add in your script writing prompt. Number 1, clear role.
Define the job you want the AI to do. For example, a master storyteller who writes compelling stories. Number 2, audience. Clearly define your audience. This will set the tone for your script. Number 3, a strict structure. This helps you get a clean and clear script that follows a proper storytelling pattern. Number 4, language. Tell the AI you need simple words, short sentences, and emotional vocabulary. This helps keep the retention rate high. Number 5, emotion. Set the overall vibe for your script. Make the viewer feel like it's about them, not just a general motivation video, but a specially designed motivational story that relates to their life. This is the prompt I have, so add it in GenSpark AI and include your first video topic. Now hit generate. GenSpark AI will now write a professional level script for you. You can see it has written a full-length story based on the topic. This script is already quite good. It has a hook, a strong start, a conflict in the middle, and an ending with a lesson. This is exactly what we need for a powerful motivational story video.
Moving on to step number 3, which is visuals. Now we need visuals for our motivational video. For visuals, you can either use images or videos, whichever suits you, but I will use images for now. To do that, we are going to use an AI tool called Google Vids. So just come to Google and search for Google Vids. Google Vids is a secret AI tool that gives us free access to image generation. We can generate videos here as well, but video generation has a limit in the free plan, and that's why I recommend you stick with images, especially if you are just starting out. So click on the first result that says Google Vids, AI-powered video creator and editor. Sign in with your Gmail account to start a new project. Then just click on Images. Now we will go back to GenSpark AI to ask it for prompts to generate the images for our story in a Ghibli-inspired style. This is the style I'm using for now because it looks really, really good. And for that, I'm going to use this prompt right here. And if you want all the prompts I used in creating this video, simply write "I am interested" in the comment section, and I will send you the file directly. After copying the prompt, paste it into GenSpark AI, and also paste the story that GenSpark generated for you before. Then click on Generate. And boom! GenSpark AI gives us the prompts to generate visuals, scene by scene. And below it, you can also see the voiceover text. But for now, let's focus on creating the visuals. So just copy the visual prompt for scene 1, then go back to Google Vids, click on Images, and paste your prompt right here. Then select the aspect ratio, make sure it's 16:9, and click on Generate. Now, Google Vids will generate the first visual for the first scene. This image generator is very good for character consistency. It keeps everything looking the same across scenes. So after it finishes generating scene 1, just drag the visual and put it into the scene 1 timeline. Then click on the plus icon to add the scene 2 timeline. Now go back to GenSpark, copy the scene 2 visual prompt, paste it into Google Vids, select 16:9, and click Generate. And now the second image is ready. You can see the characters look exactly the same. Repeat this process for the rest of the scenes. And if you don't like any image and want a better one, just adjust the prompt and regenerate it. And once all the images are ready, simply add them all to the timeline, scene by scene. And now, since these are images, we need to add some motion to make the video more engaging.
And to do that, simply click on the image, and you will see 3 options right here. Click on the one that says Animation. Once you click it, you will see a full library of photo effects that you can add to your images. As you can see, there is slide, zoom in, zoom out, breathe, and many more. I recommend you use zoom in and zoom out here. Simply click on the animation and apply it to the scene. Repeat the process to the rest of the scenes, and I suggest you to use zoom in on the first image and zoom out on the second one.
Apart from animation, we can also add transitions, so we can make our video more engaging and more professional. To do that,
Simply click on this icon that is in the middle of scenes, and you will see a bunch of transitions you can use. You can test all of them to see which one is better for you, but for my recommendation, choose this smooth dissolve transition. And here is the final result after adding the transition. But wait, aren't we still left with the voiceover? This is our step 4, and for voiceover, we don't have to go anywhere. We can do it right here inside Google Vids Editor for free. Just go to the sidebar and click on VoiceOver. Google has integrated Gemini text-to-speech inside Vids, and it's free to use. There are plenty of voice options here, and they're almost the same as the ones in Google AI Studio. We have almost all types of voices: conversational, low pitch, medium pitch, upbeat, informative, and knowledgeable. Just listen to see which narrator you like and select it. Now, after selecting the voice you like, go back to GenSpark AI. And as you can see, GenSpark AI already gives us the voiceover below every scene image prompt. So start by copying the Scene 1 voiceover text. Then go back to Google Vids and paste the text right here. Now click on Insert Voiceover. But before clicking, make sure you are in Scene 1 by checking here where it says 1 over the amount of scene you have. Now, this is the voice we have.
It was 2 a.m. Jack was lying in bed. His eyes were open. His mind was racing. Tomorrow was important.
You can see it's perfect, exactly the voice we need for our motivational story. Generate all the voices, scene by scene, and add them to the timeline. Now drag and trim the scenes, according to the voiceover. Make sure to adjust all the scenes. Finally, the video is ready. And this is our final video for our motivational channel.
It was 2 a.m. Jack was lying in bed. His eyes were open. His mind was racing. Tomorrow was important. He had promised himself he would start. He would change. He would finally do it. But tonight, he couldn't sleep. And he didn't know why. Jack was 24 years old. Every morning, he woke up with a feeling, a small voice inside saying, "Today is the day. Today you will work on your dream." He believed it, every single time. But then the day would start.
Did you check that? This is amazing. I can say Google Vids is more powerful compared to CapCut, because with Google Vid, we can even add captions for free. Simply click on Captions and choose any style you want, and it automatically applies the captions for you. You can see, this is how it looks now. Incredible.
Step 5. Save or publish the video. Now, one of the most powerful features of Google Vids is that you can connect your YouTube channel to it as well. For example, click on the share icon right here. And if your YouTube channel is on the same Gmail as Google Vids, just click on Export to YouTube. And boom, as you can see, Google Vids publishes your video directly to your channel. No stress. This is the complete workflow you need to follow to start and automate these motivational videos for free, fast and easy. Remember, the editing process is important to make your video cinematic and monetization friendly. Just stay consistent with your uploads and you will see results in 1 month. All you have to do is take the first step and start. If you have any questions or confusion, you can ask me right here in the comments. And please like, subscribe, and share this video with others as well. This is Simple AI Tools, signing off. Thank you so much. Good luck.